Hello, friends. Welcome to Speaking English Simply. Today, we'll talk about how we can start our speaking English journey. If you are a beginner in speaking English, you should start speaking with simple words that will give you much more confidence. Learning to speak English can seem challenging, but starting with simple words and phrases makes it easier and builds confidence. Here I will share some tips that will help you as beginners to begin your English speaking journey. Let's start. First, combine simple words into short and meaningful sentences. Suppose I'm learning English, this is my book, I like tea, I like vegetables, he is my friend, I am watching movie. You can also describe your daily activities in English. Like, I need water, please give me a pen, this is a table, that is my bike. These words and sentences are very simple. So try these simple words. Don't try to use any difficult or sophisticated words that may make you frustrated if you face any difficulties. But remember one thing, making mistakes is a part of your learning. More you mistake, more you learn. So don't be upset. Speak confidently and focus on improving with practice. In this way, by starting with simple words and sentences as a beginner, you can gradually build your vocabulary and confidence in speaking English. So, practice daily and enjoy the process of learning. That's all for today. My dear friends, you can also share your thoughts in English speaking journey. Have a nice day to all. Thanks.